Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture. Today the topic is masking files and exceptions. This presentation explores essential concepts for building robust applications. We will cover data persistence, user interaction, and error management. These are foundational skills for any developer. Text files, the basics. Plain text, file store, human readable data like .txt or .csv. Encoding, character encoding, such as UTF-8 defines character storage. Organization, data is structured line by line or as a continuous stream. Usage, ideal for configurations, logs, or simple data storage. Reading files, accessing data. Open for reading, open filename dot text, comma, read option we can give for R, it means read purpose, opens a file. Read entire content, we can give file dot read, gets content as a single string. Read line by line, file dot read line reads one line. List all lines. File dot read lines returns a list of lines. Automatic closure with open SF ensures for proper file handling. Writing files, storing information, create overwrite open, writes overwriting old data. Append data, open adds to the file's end. Write strings, file dot write outputs text. Add new lines. Remember to use /n for line breaks. Ensure closure. Always close files or use the with statement. Format operator, structured output. F strings dot format method, percentage operator. Use f name, age for clarity. Employ value, curly braces, opening and closing. Format variance for formatting. Access number, percentage %d, percentage number value for also one. These are the essential for creating readable, structured file content. They ensure consistent data representation for easy parsing. Command line arguments, dynamic input. Import sys. The sys module accesses script arguments. Sys argument B list with a script name. Accept parameters enables scripts to take input file or output path. Example usage, try python script.py input.txt verbose. Exception handling, robust code. Try except blocks, manage runtime errors gracefully. File not found error occurs when an open target is missing. Input-output error, output system error indicates general input-output operation failures. Prevent crashes. This provides crucial user feedback. Finally, block ensures resource cleanup like closing files. Conclusion, building reliable programs. 1. File input output, crucial for data-driven task. 2. String formatting ensures clear parsable output. 3. CLI arguments allow flexible reusable scripts. And 4. Exception handling guarantees application stability. Thus, coming to the end of the session, let's discuss another topic in another video. Thank you all.